Alright, this is how you will get the product of numbers like 40 when you multiplied it by 5. So the easiest way is divide this into 2. So 40 divided by 2, that is 20, and then add 0. Next, let us have another example. For instance, we have 62 times 5. So divide this by 2. That is 31. 62 divided by 2 is 31, and then you just add 0. So if we have 50 times 5, divide 50 by 2, that's 25, and then add 0. That's very easy.